The church leaders, village elders, members of the youth club, members of the National Youth Band, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. At the outset, I wish to thank the village elders and the members of the youth club for the Yangana ceremony. Vinaka, thank you. It is indeed a privilege to be part of this occasion in your beautiful village here in Nandarivatu. I must thank and acknowledge the warm welcome accorded to my team, and I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of all those involved behind the scene in making this event happen. Naka. Ladies and gentlemen, today we not only gather here to hand over the grant, but we also celebrate life, celebrate what has been for all of us a successful year despite the challenges, and of course, farewell 2021. There is every indication that since the launch of our Youth Farm Initiative program, the youths throughout the country have sacrificed a great deal of work, of their time and energy towards the farming and other activities in its effort to better themselves and to better their communities. In 2 days' time, we will welcome the new year, 2022. And with it comes new challenges and the drive to achieve even more than our current year. I'm told that Koro Youth Club have successfully completed the construction of their community church and have also bought a carrier. This is another reason for the celebration here today. Well done and congratulations on your achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Youth and Sports is mandated to propel the youth sector in Fiji, and as such, we intend to create a culture of diverse networking among youth groups and stakeholders. We believe that youth are equally able to contribute to decision-making process and are recognized in the development of our country, your communities, and the families. This time of year is once again a reminder to all of us to be happy, to work hard, and to seek to achieve our potential in life. We believe in the power of young people, and we know that every young person has a potential to fulfill. And we also know that when you are recognized for your qualities, you can create a strong society together. With those words, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to wish you all the best in your future. Dare to dream and challenge yourselves to achieving those dreams and aspirations. Ladies and gentlemen, while celebrating today, I urge all of you to be responsible, look after one another, practice safe COVID protocols, and return home to your families in good health. May the new year bring forth happiness and peace to each and every one of you. I wish you all the best and Happy New Year. May Almighty God bless you and all the people. Naka and thank you.
Marau